Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Honda CR-V Special Edition. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 165,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.